So this is our complete project and I have been pushed it to the GitHub पे push हो चुका है. So we are reviewing it. So this is the process and ये देखिए, अगर हम इसे सीधा बनाएंगे, सीधा अगर इसे हम ऑन करेंगे तो यहाँ पे खुलेगा. This is the dashboard and I make it for the personal, you know, आई थिंक कि ये ज़्यादा सही रहेगा, मुझे ऐसा लगा, तो इसलिए मैंने थोड़ी पर्सनल चेंजेस की. बाकी जो फ्लो था वो एकदम परफेक्ट, उसकी कोई परेशानी नहीं है. एज देर इज़ द कैलेंडर एंड this is the functionality I add and let's keep it aside. I will make another entry. So testing the functionality 2 and यहाँ पे हमने equipment select किया Samsung Industrial and this is assigned team and default technician missing and what type you can select it and what's the priority and schedule date. It's automatically will be written and you can write it depend on the network. So description you can say that just testing it and this is request create. So this is the create requested and automatically comes to the maintenance request page and this is our new request testing the request functionality 2. So this is the maintenance and this is the equipment. So the equipment was industrial drill machine and there is the industrial drill machine. This is active now and if you can click on it, there is you can see that the testing, this is new, our status is new and for the flow we are coming on it and this is the drag and drop. Let's suppose I'm keeping it in the repaired section. Okay, sorry, I'm keeping it in the repaired section and if I would now, then they are still active. It was the, as you can see, testing the functionality, it is repaired. And let's go to again and now come to the scrap. If I would come to equipment, then as you can see this is scrapped and this is the smart button. The smart button is the maintenance button. You can always come with a new request and you can just say that no, this clear filter. So this will directly take you to the maintenance page and you can directly move it to the repaired section and then you will see that these are now active. So these are all interconnected things and there's a team thing. It was optional but I still do it. So you can even check that what the assigned equipment is there and if you say that if I am getting there, then I would be getting the info that what's the status of this equipment. As you can see, you will proceed to the equipment page. As I'm again going on the team page now in the mechanics and there is a CNC machine and then I'm going to this and these are things in progress and this is, and you can back equipment page. This is the dashboard and there is one open request and this is a graph of, as you can say that active is equals to 3 and completed is equals to 4. So this is keeping you, this graph is keeping you updated by just looking in it and this is a bit, then there are basics that you can even come to the light part and the dark mode. This was basic for me and you can even come to the settings. I just made this page because I think that it would not be good as if I am keeping it and the setting page is not here. And this is the dashboard. So this was all the flow and it was a pleasure that I have been participating in this and if I get the chance, if I get the chance for the offline round, I would definitely be making something good and more beneficial for the company. And what I keep in the mind is the web designing. You said that the web design is also a part, so I keep the designs by what I like. I keep the designs as according to me, but I think they are pretty good and you can see that the calendar is functional, not for the shows. All the things and flows are functional and this is a proper functional thing and and this is the GitHub repo and I have even mentioned the diagramic logic, that this is one of scrap clean logic, the maintenance request, updates requested, drag to scrap is scrap detective equipment, UI red scrap active equipment, UI green active. As you can see, the equipment was getting red and green, scrapped and active. So this was this smart button flow, and this is all the. So thank you, this was all my project, and I love what I create now, and I would be waiting for my selection. I think it's hard, but I can still hope for the selection. So if I would be selecting, then I would definitely meeting you, the person who is on the other side, who is checking. We will be checking this project. So thank you all, and thanks for the opportunity.